Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the lock sound on your iPhone. So whenever you lock or unlock your phone, it will no longer make that clicking sound. This method is very simple and only takes a few seconds. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Once you are inside the Settings menu, scroll down a little until you find the option called Sound and Haptics. You can also use the search bar at the top of the Settings page and simply type Sound and Haptics to find it faster. Now tap on Sound and Haptics. After opening it, scroll all the way down near the bottom of the page. Here you will see an option called Lock Sound. This setting controls the sound your iPhone makes whenever you lock or unlock the screen. To disable the sound, simply tap the toggle next to Lock Sound and turn it off. And that's it. Your iPhone will no longer make the lock sound when you press the power button or unlock the device. This is useful if you want your phone to stay completely silent during meetings, classes, or at night. You can always come back to the same setting later if you want to enable the sound again. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.